Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip Day Hula, and here I'm here to teach you the choreography for World Hoop Day 2022. Is to Circle of Love, Love Circle, and it's an original song. It's very short. I'm going to do it to the front and also to the back so you can see, and then you can also use the mirrors. This is my right hand. This is what I'd like you to do. All right. Right hand, hoop. Make sure you grab a hoop that you can waist hoop with and also move around a little bit with. And there will be a breakout section of 32 counts, so there will be 4 times 8 counts. So there will be a first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means you just do your favorite hoop dance, okay? We're gonna start to the front. Hold for 8. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you smile. Make sure you join the World Hoop Day group on Facebook and also the World Hoop Day dance group on Facebook. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip Day Hula. Smile. World Hoop Day is whenever you want to celebrate. We celebrate by helping give hoops to those in need, kids of all ages, adults, whatever sizes, to small children and all of that. It could be in your own community or far away as well. So, and we also, not only do we bring hoops to the community in whatever ways you can, whether they be gently used or brand new hoops that you make, that is awesome, or even hoops that you buy and share with the community, but also teaching the love of hooping and sharing our love of hooping. So welcome to the circle. This year's theme is the Circle of Love. Love Circle. All right, rock on, peace out. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip Day Hoopla. Thank you so much for celebrating and sharing this with the world. Hashtag where you are in the world and hashtag the World Hoop Day Dance 2022. Rock on, peace out. Oh!